Manufacturing is currently located at 3 locations in the western region of Melbourne, Australia. GUD is known for superior air, fuel and oil filtration products for automotive, agricultural, marine, commercial and industrial applications. GUD has a history which stretches back to the 1940s, when the company supplied filters to the wartime effort and adopted the brand name Ryco. The company continued through the 1950s with the development of spin-on filters to supply the Ford Motor Company. Through the 60s, GUD developed a strong international image by making affiliations with companies in Europe, England and South Africa, where there is a strong marketplace for the filter system that has made GUD famous. By 1959, GUD was publicly listed on the stock exchange and has enjoyed continued growth ever since. Being manufacturers of fine filtration products, quality is fundamental to GUD. The company supplies the needs of all major motor vehicle manufacturers and leading automotive distributors, and also offers filtration systems for the petroleum, marine and gas industries. GUD has a significant share of the filtration market within Australia and prides itself on its range, quality, supply and cataloguing in the overall marketplace. GUD will continue to produce quality filters that exceed our customers' expectations. This can only be achieved through the active participation and commitment of both management and employees.
Hi, I'm Roger and as site manager of our Wright Street operation, I'm looking forward to being part of GUD's growth into the 21st century.
Employees at GUD are encouraged to think and make decisions for themselves. We believe in management by cooperation and consultation. We like our employees to commit to the company and in what it believes, not just comply with company policy. What remains of our management pyramid is there as a support system for our workers. Our people determine the quality of everything we do, and as such are our most valuable asset. Therefore, the management of GUD is committed to giving our employees all the necessary support. GUD understands that to provide total customer service, we must include quality in everything we do. This means that every employee, from the most senior manager to the worker on the shop floor, understands what is expected of them in terms of the standard of their work, and is responsible for supplying a product or service that satisfies their customers' needs. Every employee has a customer. It doesn't have to be the person who buys a filter. It is usually the next person in the line of manufacture who requires a quality product or service, for without that, they cannot provide total customer service.
Hi, I'm Vic Jones and I'm part of the engineering team. I take pride in the work I do and I'm proud to be part of a company that's Australia's #1.
GUD has implemented quality systems so that we get it right first time, every time. We are committed to continuously improving everything we do, and GUD is working towards achieving customer-recognised quality standards on both a national and international basis. Employees at GUD are encouraged to develop a high level of safety in their work areas. A health and safety committee is energetically working towards raising the level of safety awareness and correcting safety hazards. The Health and Safety Committee believes in the recognition of groups and individuals for their special efforts towards our safety culture.
Hi, I'm Deborah and as a member of the Health and Safety Committee, I aim at working hard to making GUD a safe place to work.
Manufacturing here at GUD is changing. Some of the work is now being done in teams under the guidance of a team leader and not the old-fashioned image of supervisor. Team leaders are more like coaches, encouraging, training and supporting team members. The company has shown their commitment to team processes through providing support mechanisms, such as a facilitator to coordinate and support team activities. We are fortunate at GUD in that we have a healthy employee relations environment. Multi-skilling is an important part of the drive towards integrated manufacturing, where everyone is encouraged to undertake a wide range of jobs. An important part of the program is employee development and training.
Hi, my name's Linda and I've been a machine setter for 4 years. I think it's great GUD is an equal opportunity employer.
GUD realises that you cannot expect people to do their jobs unless they're first given the right tools. Training is the most important of these tools. Through ongoing training programs, every employee will be encouraged to provide new ideas and methods to improve the areas which directly affect them, so as to provide total customer satisfaction and ensure we are constantly in pursuit of the highest standards in the manufacture of filtration products. The company prides itself on keeping its employees aware of current company activities and its performance in the marketplace. This is done through regular team briefing sessions and other information sharing activities such as managing director walkabouts, which encourage a systematic approach to communication, with opportunities for questions and answers. Issues discussed may include new products, finance and sales. We at GUD see ourselves moving into the 21st century as an equal opportunity employer, offering our employees working conditions not just on a par with industry standards, but as a company leading the way. We offer our employees the opportunity to better their position within the company.
Hi, my name's Jessie. I've been with GUD since 1984. I started on the production line. Today I am section leader. I enjoy my job and I work with a very supportive team.
Equal employment opportunity principles are applied at all levels of management and among all employees. The program is constantly monitored and re-evaluated to ensure that everyone has a fair go and that the company's policies are being met. A joint consultative committee has been established within the company to help improve the company's efficiency, productivity and competitiveness in the marketplace. The group also hopes to provide employees with a more secure, varied and rewarding job, leading to career opportunities. The consultative committee has undertaken numerous programs already. These include the implementation of team briefing, a pilot employee assistance program, waste reduction exercises and a communication audit. The group is working on many other issues designed to improve job satisfaction and workplace productivity. These include programs to improve literacy in the workplace, reduce absenteeism and enhance communication. We will give our employees the opportunity to be involved in changes within the organisation, its structure, development, work methods, systems and procedures. We will listen and encourage those with suggestions. We at GUD look forward to sharing a rewarding future with you.